A culinary adventure into web design using HTML. Let me take you on a journey, an unexpected one. Imagine you are a master chef, not in a traditional kitchen, but in the vast digital realm. Your ingredients, HTML tags. Your recipe, a well-structured website. And your task to craft a delectable digital dish that's functional, appealing, and irresistibly engaging. Welcome to web design using HTML, the essential recipe book for creating the foundational structure of any website. While HTML sets the table, CSS provides the style, and JavaScript brings the interactivity. Today, we will focus on the structured beauty HTML offers. The foundation of a web page, HTML structure. Every great dish starts with a solid foundation, a recipe. In web design, this recipe begins with the HTML document structure, which is like the skeleton of your web page. Let's explore this with a simple example. Let's break the above program step by step. First one, closed angle brackets, exclamation, doc type HTML. This is your menu title. It tells the browser you are using HTML5, the modern standard for web pages. Second one, closed angle brackets HTML lang equal to en. This is the root tag, like the bowl holding your ingredients. The lang equal to en specifies the language of your content, which helps search engines and accessibility tools. Third one, closed angle bracket head. Think of this as the chef's preparation station. It holds all the behind the scenes information like closed angle brackets meta character set equal to UTF-8. Ensures the page can display all characters correctly from emojis to special symbols. Again, closed angle brackets meta name equal to viewport, content equal to width equal to device width, initial scale equal to 1.0. Makes your site responsive, ensuring it scales beautifully on all devices. Closed angle brackets title sets the title for the browser tab, a small touch but essential. Fourth one, closed angle brackets body, the main course, everything your audience will see and interact with. Inside it. Closed angle brackets header, this is the appetizer, the welcoming visual of your page. Here we have added a closed angle brackets h1 tag for the main heading. Next, closed angle brackets main, the hearty content, like the meat or vegetables of a dish. This is where you place your paragraphs. Next, closed angle brackets footer, the dessert, a suite ending to wrap up on your page. Typically, you include copyright info, links or other details. HTML tags, your culinary tools. Now that we have our structure, let's explore the tools or HTML tags that helps us cook up amazing content. First one, tags for layout. Think of layout tags as the way you plate your dish. Header tag defines the top section like a logo or navigation. NAV, a navigation bar to guide users through your website. Main, the central area for your most important content. Section, groups related content like dividing a meal into courses. Footer, the bottom section for those finishing touches. Tags for text content. Text is your seasoning. It brings flavor to your website. HTML gives you precise tools. Headings, use the closed angle brackets h1 to h6 to structure titles and subtitles. For example, think of closed angle bracket h1 as your bold entire title and closed angle brackets h6 as the fine print on the menu. Paragraphs represent blocks of text. Closed angle brackets p. This is a paragraph of text. Text formatting. Add emphasis with. Third one, links and buttons. The menu navigation. Hyperlinks and buttons act as the server, guiding users through your digital experience. Links can be expressed as. This is like providing directions to another table at the restaurant. Buttons. Fourth one, images and media. Visual garnishes. Visuals enhance your website, just as garnishes elevate a dish. Add them with the ALT attribute ensures accessibility and SEO benefits. For videos. Next, fifth one, lists for organization. Lists are your side dishes, helping organizing content neatly. Unordered list. For ordered list. Next, sixth one, tables, structured data presentation. Tables are like serving trays, presenting data in a clear format. Example for the table is. Next, seventh one, forms, collecting user input. Forms are the feedback cards of the web. For forms, as you can see, HTML is like a trusted recipe book. It gives you the guidance to create websites that are functional and well organized. Whether it's structuring content, adding visuals, or enhancing navigation, every tag plays a vital role in crafting the perfect digital dish. But remember, a great chef does not stop with the recipe. To elevate your creation, you will need CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity. Together, they form the three course meal of web design. So grab your HTML tools and let's start cooking up the web of tomorrow.